Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a VW Tiguan key fob 2017. Start by removing the emergency key and sliding it out, then pry the fob halves apart at the seam with a flat tool. Remove the old CR 2032 and note orientation. Insert a fresh CR 2032 and press the halves until they click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions before finishing to confirm success. Before starting, gather a new CR 2032 battery and a plastic pry tool to protect the fob finish and avoid scratches. Lay out parts on a soft cloth to prevent small pieces from rolling away. Handle the new battery with clean fingers or a cloth to avoid oils on contacts. If the fob doesn't respond after replacement, recheck battery orientation and contact cleanliness before attempting reprogramming or seeking professional help. After installing the CR 2032, align the two halves and press firmly until they snap together securely. Reinsert the emergency key, then test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a short distance to confirm proper range. If a button feels loose or unresponsive, reopen the fob and inspect plastic tabs and battery orientation. Clean contacts gently with isopropyl on a cotton swab if needed, and replace the shell if the fob remains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.